Hi all, today I'll be taking you from bottle making to candle making. This is my second hobby actually. I'm going to make 6 candles today from these upcycled, recycled bottles. As you can see, they still have their logos on it. So we are going to make soy candles. So what you'll need are soy mix. You can buy this from Shopee or Lazada. You need a tinware. You'll need to double boil it, thermometer, of course bottles, the candle wick, weighing scale or kitchen weighing scale, and I've got a vanilla essence that I may or may not use it later because the soy candle smells nice. We've got the glue gun as well. This is to stick the wick to the bottle. Start with putting the glue on the tips or the base of the wicks and sticking them into the jars. You may need a stick to centralize it as well. Okay, I've taken ice cream sticks and made a hole in the center. This will be, you thread the wick through the hole. This will help to centralize the wick later on when you pour in the wax. You can also use clothes pegs. Okay, next we bring out your weighing scale, kitchen scale, whatever you call it, and we will need approximately 300 grams to make these 6 bottles. Now we bring the wax over to the boiling water. You can pre-boil your water while you're doing all the other stuff. So you double boil it, put your container within the boiling water. While we wait for that, I'm gonna have a glass of wine. Okay, once the wax starts melting, we want to hit between 170 to 190 Fahrenheit. We should also stir it occasionally, but not too much. Bubbles may form, which we do not want. I would like to add in the vanilla essence, just a tad bit, not too much. As I said, I like the smell of the natural soy candles. So now we stir in the essence properly so it mixes well with the wax, and we need to wait for it to reduce down to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which is now 129. It's good enough now to pour. Yeah, there are many gadgets that you can use to pour the candle wax into the bottles, but I like to be simple and not invest in too much equipment, so I'll just pour it directly from the container that I use to heat up the wax. Just gently do it, don't spill. Once you've poured the wax in all your containers or jars, straighten the wicks now by pulling it slightly. Now we patiently have to wait for the candle to harden up. I usually let it set overnight, keep it in a dry place. This is what it looks the next morning. You can see the color now is pure white, and you can now remove the sticks. Once you're done with that, you take your scissors and snip off the excess wicks. I take about 1 cm from the candle. And there you have it, the finished product. You can only light these candles 4 days later after they have settled in. So this is a candle that I had made earlier on, and this is how beautiful it looks. Hope you enjoyed this video.